Okay, so what we should have is a square similar to that. You guys may have played around with your colors a little bit. That's fine, no problem. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to change our 4. So instead of getting it to do it 4 times, we're actually going to turn it into a while. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to say while. So we're saying you're doing this not a number of times, but you're going to keep on doing it until a certain condition is met. And what I'm going to do is while r is less than, let's just say 300, keep on doing this. I'm actually going to play around with that figure a bit. I'm going to say 25, say 27 instead, and see how that plays out. Okay, so I've got 1. As you can see, that is keep on changing. Okay, it's getting lighter, and there we go. It stopped because now the value of r will be greater than 300. So what we're going to do is we're going to, instead of saying keep on doing this until r is greater than 300, we're actually going to do something a little bit different. And we will say to keep on doing it while, let's say, SL is greater than 0. Okay. Now at the moment SL is 100, and we haven't told SL to change. So you can tell me what might happen. So as I run that, okay, so we've got a greeny color and it's getting lighter, getting lighter, getting lighter. Okay. Now what's going to happen? It's going to keep on going. Why? Because SL is not changing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop that. Okay, we're going to play around a little bit. And instead of telling Turtle to go left 90, we're actually going to tell it to go left. Let's say go left 85, and R will go up by 1. Green will go up by 4. Let's say blue will go up by 7. Now let's say 3. Now the way this works is R is taking that variable. So right at the beginning, R was 0. Now R is equal to R plus 1. So 0 plus 1. So now R is equal to 1. It's gone around again. Now R is 1. R is now equal to R plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now R is equal to 2. We're playing with this at the moment. Let's see what happens. Some of you guys may have guessed it. It's drawing some funky squares. As you can see, it might be a little bit difficult to notice, but the colors are actually slowly getting lighter, a bit more greeny, because obviously green has the most progression in this. Okay, and as you guys will see, this will continue to make this for us. Okay, and because SL is something that will keep on going forever, this will keep on going on forever, keep on getting lighter until it gets very close to white. Okay, now I can sit here for the rest of the day and do this, but I have other things to do. I'm sure you guys might want to do this as well. Play around with your shapes, see exactly what we've got. Any shapes which I feel are quite nice, looking quite good, I will post them onto streams. Next week, what we're going to be doing is I will be giving you guys not an assessment. You can call it an assessment as such, but I won't be teaching a lesson. I will actually give you guys a task to do, which will incorporate everything we've been doing so far these weeks, and it's basically for you guys to create a program for yourself. It will probably be the last week that we will be doing some Python on. So what I will do is we'll get that done, we'll get that out of the way, and then hopefully when we are back, we can actually work on some drones. Or what we might have to do is I will actually put it forward to you and let you guys tell me what you guys want to do. Okay. So yeah, give it a go. Make sure you copy and paste your link into Google Classroom, and have a good week, everyone.